Dear students, okay, last session we had seen this types of farming, that is what intensive substance farming, primitive substance farming and commercial farming. Okay, that is what you know that why shifting cultivation or shifting farming are known as this most probably slash and burn agriculture. Okay, that is the term we had seen, that what type of agriculture are practiced in India, and most probably that is the farming, and completely we are depend on entirely to commercial farming. Okay, and next topic is cropping pattern. Okay, that is the term what we are calling as a cropping pattern in agriculture, and these are the thing cropping pattern goes for how much what we are going to do in cropping. Okay, that is what various season, that is what the term what we can able to tell the term as a cropping pattern or cropping season. Okay, and you know that India is having as a physical diversity. You know that the climate is changes from place to place, and we can able to tell that from state to state the climate is most probably changes. In 9th standard what you are studied that India we receives this a monsoon type of climate. Okay, and in that thing also in which time it receives in particular area receives certain type of monsoon. For example, in Tamil Nadu, most probably we are receiving a northeast monsoon in a dominant manner. Okay, other than southwest monsoon, and most probably northeast monsoon are more dominant, and here agriculture activities are more dominant in Tamil Nadu if you see. And if you go for one state, it is going for dominant of this cropping pattern in a more manner, so that only we are calling as a physical diversity. And another thing is we are having a plurality of cultures in India. Okay, plurality means it is a many cultures. That is what the terms goes for. In Tamil Nadu the culture is different, Karnataka the culture is different, and even the food material which the people are eating, that also you can able to say that. Okay, that is what the thing is most probably different in a manner. In Kerala, if you go and say that eating of food material in a more manner, they used to eat in a they are having their own traditional culture. That is what the plurality what it goes for. Okay, and we are also practicing agriculture practices and cropping patterns in the country, one state following in one way, because how much we are receiving this monsoon, and in that cropping pattern only we are cultivating certain types of crops. That is what we are going to see that. Okay, and you know that spices, fruits and condiments. Okay, condiments are most probably which you are having smell related food material. That is what the things most probably. Okay, that is the things most probably the food material. If you put this spices, the food material is going for tasty, and the taste various tastes, that is what the term called as condiments. Okay, with the spices only it is going for various taste in food material. Okay, if you are preparing for chicken biryani, you want to put many spices. That is what the thing, then only your chicken biryani will be fine. That is the term what we are calling as the condiments. Okay, that is what the taste and smell also most probably condiments, it is most probably relates with taste. Okay, that is the thing. And you know that India is having three types of cropping season. Okay, that is the cropping season what we are calling as three types of cropping season, and this cropping season only completely we are cultivating in India. We are telling as a cropping pattern also same, cropping season also same, don't forget it. If there is a write a note on different types of cropping pattern, the same question only, same answer only, and different types of cropping season in India is also the same answer only. Okay, and we are classifying in India, they are classifying three types of cropping season, and one is Rabi season. Okay, Kharif season and Zaid season. Okay, first is Rabi season, Kharif season and Zaid season. Okay, that is what the three types of season how we are cultivating. Okay, and that is the thing. Every season, first we are going for Rabi season or Rabi crops. You can able to tell the term as a Rabi season or Rabi crops. Okay, and these are the things most probably the season why we are telling how what time we are sowing the seed. Okay, that is the important, in which month we are sowing the seed and which month we are taking harvesting, and what are the crops we are growing in a particular period. That is the most probably, and what the states are producing, that is the important part of that. In what are the states are producing a dominant of rabi crops. Okay, and that is the thing. In rabi season, we are sowing the seed from at the winter time from October to December. Okay, don't forget it. We are sowing the seed at the time from October to December. Okay, and we are harvested these crops in summer, that is from April to June. Okay, that is what the term we are taking the food material to consume. That is the main thing. Sowing, you know that I already told the process in agriculture activity. That is what the first session I had told. That thing is most probably what is the sowing process. Okay, how this Oryza sativa we are taking up to the consuming level. That is the thing you can able to tell that. And sown in winter from October to December, and it is harvested from summer from April to June. Okay, that is the thing. Every cropping season, this is the season. Sowing time, that is the month, name of the month, it is most probably necessary, and harvesting month also it is necessary. That is what the term what we are calling as a rabi season or rabi crops. Okay, and the crops we are producing in India, that is wheat, barley, peas, gram, mustard. Okay, these are the crops what we are calling the term as rabi crops. And the state producing these crops are Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, these are the states which are dominant in producing this wheat, barley, peas, gram and mustard. Okay, and the state is Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. And wheat and other rabi crops are dominant in producing this in the states, that is Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. Okay, you can able to say that. And how these crops are most probably grown, the cyclone helps this crops to success of these crops. Why means every time this winter October to December, you know that the cyclone is originated from this area. That is what Punjab, Haryana, you know that how the origin of the cyclone I already taken in the 9th standard, how the cyclone is origin. Okay, it is most probably originated in the sea level only. That is whether the cyclone is originated from Bay of Bengal or Arabian Sea, or you can able to tell the term as the Indian Ocean. If the state is near, the affecting is more. That is the thing. You don't want to worry about that. And this helps the success of the crops in growing this wheat, barley, peas, gram, mustard and all. And most probably it is dominant in success of green revolution. Okay, that is the term you can able to tell that. Okay, that is the term you can able to tell the term as a rabi crops. Okay, and this rabi crops, and you know that the same thing only you can able to see that wheat. Okay, this is the wheat region, wheat crop you can able to see that. And next is kharif crops. Okay, and the second term is kharif. The first is rabi crops. You don't forget to have this when the crop is sown and when the crop is going to be harvested. The same thing only. Kharif crops also sown with the onset of monsoon in different parts of the country and harvested in September and October. Okay, that is what the changes of the time you can able to say that. Okay, and here that is the thing that we are sowing from October to December, and we are harvested from April to June. Okay, and here you can able to say that here completely we are sowing kharif crops, onset of monsoon in different parts of the country and harvested in September to October. Okay, and the important crops are this kharif season. The crops we are producing in India are paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, dar, moong, urad, cotton, jute, groundnut and soybean. Okay, these are the crops are most probably what we are known as kharif crops. You want to go for write an what are kharif crops. Okay, that is the thing. Example, you should memorize it. You should you should not different. You should know to differentiate what are kharif crops and rabi crops. Okay, that crops you don't confuse the rabi crops in a different manner, kharif crops in a different manner. That is what the thing. You want to be confined with that. And kharif crops are paddy, maize and cotton, jute, groundnut, soybean. So, okay, some of the important rice growing regions are, these are the regions which are dominant in paddy. You know that the scientific name of this paddy is Oryza sativa. The variety is more. Okay, that is what we are telling as Karnataka Ponni, and other the variety what we are calling as IR20 and Ambai 16. That is the rice growing variety in Tamil Nadu in a more manner. Okay, and that is the thing. And the rice growing regions are most probably Assam, West Bengal and the coastal regions of Orissa, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh also, and Kerala, Maharashtra, and particularly the Konkan coast along with Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Okay, and paddy, you know that it is also an important crop of Punjab, Haryana, and in the states of West Assam, West Bengal, and Orissa, and they are growing 3 crops of paddy are grown in area. The variety is what we are calling as Aman and Boro. Okay, these are the kharif crops, and that is the important thing. You want to go for only writing this season, that is the month when they are harvesting and what are the crops. Okay, that is the important thing. You can able to say that. Okay, these are the kharif season. You know that paddy, maize, pigeon pea. Okay, these are the kharif crops also. And next is size season. Okay, that is what the third season what we are calling as a size season. And in this season, in between the Rabi and Kharif season, there is a short season. That is what the term in between this Rabi and Kharif, that short term season what they are calling as it is most probably we are doing in summer month only. It is known as size season. Okay, the food we are producing in India: mung, urad, maize, watermelon, muskmelon. Okay, and you know that now you can able to get this watermelon fruits in a more manner. Okay, this time this summer season, you know that watermelon we are getting in a more manner. Watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables, and fodder crops. Okay, that is the term most probably you can be able to why we are telling as a side season. Okay, that is the term what we are calling as a side season. And you know that this 3 cropping patterns is an important when we are receiving monsoon. That is the important thing. Without monsoon we cannot able to crop production in these 3 types of season. Okay, and because this side season is most probably we are seen in summer time. Okay, that is the main thing. Summer month only we can able to say that. Okay, these are the 3 cropping pattern in India. We can able to tell that as a cropping season also, and most probably you can able to tell the term as a cropping season also. And I am going to revise that and the types of crop. Okay, whether this kharif crop rainy season and Rabi winter season crop. The kharif crop are most probably we are calling the term as a rainy season crop also, and Rabi winter season crop also, and Syed crop it is going for summer season. Okay, and don't forget it. It is grown during monsoon rainy season. This Rabi it is grown during winter season, and Syed crop it is grown during mainly summer season. Okay, that is the thing, and it requires warm and wet weather. It is a kharif crop. Okay, and in Rabi crop it requires cold and dry weather, and Syed crop it requires warm dry weather. Okay, and don't forget that it is we are sowing the seed in a kharif crop in June, July, and harvested in September and October. And you can able to don't forget it. Some area we are going for because why we are having this 2 month, and correctly we cannot able to go for sowing the season. Sometimes the monsoon is going to be failure. Okay, that is the term. Sometimes that the month is going to be extended. You know that the climatic changes is going for in a more manner in India. Okay, that is what in last 9th standard we had studied about climatic changes in India, how the climatic changes and how the climate form and what the weather, how the weather is different. Okay, and based on the thing only we are going for, we are telling the June or July, and that is the thing. Okay, we are harvesting in September and October. Sometimes if the monsoon is failure in a particular area, and we are going to sowing the seed in the next month. That is what, if June is failure, we are going to see in the sown the seed in July. That is what we are telling the term. And in Kharif season, okay, that is the term most probably sown in June, July, and harvested in September and October. And Rabi season sown in October and November and harvested in this March, April. You can able to tell that. And side crop sown in March and harvested in June. Okay, and example, this what the example you can able to Kharif crop, rice, jowar, okay, bajra, cotton, moong, groundnut. And Rabi season, wheat, barley, gram, mustard, potato, etc. Side season, the seasonal fruits, that is muskmelon, watermelon, okay, seasonal fruits and vegetables. That is what in between this side and Kharif season only what we are calling as a thing. Okay, that is what the conclusion. Don't forget this. And crops are 3 crops, and here kharif crops and rabi crops. Okay, that is what the term. And paddy, soya bean, maize, cotton, green gram, etc. Beet, gram, peas, mustard, linseed. These are the rabi crops. Okay, that is the term you can able to go for. And here we are having the thing here. Okay, that is the term you can able to tell the term as a question pattern. What are the things? And describe about cropping pattern in India or cropping season in India. Okay, note it down the question also. You want to note it down in the classwork note also. Okay, describe about cropping pattern in India or cropping season in India. Same answer only. That is the thing you want to go for mention in describing about rabi crops, kharif crops and side crops. Okay, and you know that you can able to have this 3 more question in a different manner. Write a note on rabi crops or write a note on kharif crops or what is the season. Okay, and if they are sometimes they give this sown season, you want to note it down as which season this rabi crops are grown and which season this kharif crops are grown. That is the thing you can able to go for. Okay, and this is the question session. And which are the major seed producing states of India? Okay, major seed producing state. These are the dominant state. This Maharashtra, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Okay, they are the producing this hybrid variety of seeds also. They are the producing in number 1 in India, and with them only we are using it. And which are the kharif and rabi crop found in the state of Maharashtra? Okay, kharif crop is paddy, soya bean, groundnut, cotton, and rabi crop is jowar. Okay, what type of crop is grown in Orissa? Paddy, kharif crop. Okay, grown in Orissa. In Rajasthan, which type of crops are mainly grown? Wheat, mustard, gram and rabi crops. Okay, which types of crops are grown in Karnataka? Kharif crops. And which types of crops are grown in Tamil Nadu? Kharif crops only. Most probably we are going for paddy, groundnut, cotton, jowar also. Okay, that is what the thing you can able to go for. And don't forget this 3 season. One is kharif season, side season, rabi season. Okay, and next section we can able to go for major crops in India. Okay, that is what the thing you can able to go for in the next section. And I am going to conclude the session, and thank you. Okay, thank you for your attention. And next section we can able to go for this major crops in India. Thank you one and all.